Welcome everybody. Just gonna have a little bit of a test video and a little bit of insight into how I played Duststorm in PVE, because a lot of people have been asking me how do I survive for so long without a healer. This one, I'm actually lucky I do have a healer this time, but usually it's just me and Gun for Hire and we just blast out the instance as two Duststorms without healing. So the biggest advice I could give is just to keep moving. If you move left and right, straight left and right, just keep moving. The Terracons will hit you less. It's the same principle in PvP. You want to just keep moving, just make yourself a moving target, because moving targets are a lot harder to hit. In PvE, in both PvE and PvP, if you start moving backwards, you'll actually slow down. Your acceleration will slow down, and it'll take you a fraction of a second to speed up again. So what you want to avoid is actually moving backwards. So when you're targeting someone and you've got a lock and you start circular strafing, as soon as you notice yourself start walking backwards, see if you can change the angle a little bit the way you're looking, so you can actually start moving sideways again as opposed to backwards. That'll help you keep your momentum up and avoid getting hit. So hopefully this video works, and hopefully my laptop doesn't die recording it. So hopefully right now I can't see because I'm in the game, but hopefully you can see my mouse, you can see everything here. I just froze, so back in, and we're loading. Probably a really bad example to show you how much survivability Duststorm does have without a healer, because I do have a healer. We'll try not to get hit as much as possible. It tactically uses to repair bays everywhere, as opposed to turrets.
I am a ghost in this dark.
This used to be an Autobot base.
We could be lucky and the guy might not load in and we'll have to listen to ourselves. So there's another meta as well for the high population servers. When there's lots of people mining, or you have 4 friends, just invite you all to a group. And if you want Energon, just farm up to this point. This gate right here, just farm all 4 nodes, and you can get about 2,000 Energon in about 4 minutes. And this thing here, you can see I'm circular strafing around it, so if I was just to stand here and take the hits, I'd probably be dead by now. But you actually move faster than the turret rotates, so yeah, there you have it. So that's fighting turrets in PVE, with Duststorm, not to get hit with it. Also knowing whether the creeps are going to pop up helps as well. The most important thing to do is take out screamers in PvE. It's basically the computer getting 3 hits on you, and you don't want that.
Do not flee.
And gladiators are the last thing you want to target. You leave them till last. why, the big reason why I'm not PvPing that much at the moment is because my laptop sort of likes dropping its frame rate down to about 10 frames a second. You can't really do much of PvE with that. Especially if you're playing on a different server overseas or something, say like Atlanta or Frankfurt. Crappy frame rate with good ping is manageable. Or crappy ping with good frame rate is manageable, but not both. Not crappy and crappy. So basically what you do is you just drop your Electronova on the gladiators. They basically run laps, so you just do a U-turn like that, and then on your next pass like that, just drop it. And then you just keep circular straight through. We'll find it out. We'll find this area out, and I'll tell this. I'll tell the conduit to let me die. If I'm stupid. So another tip that I can give to Duststorm is fire activation, the ammunition breach. When you use that with our pistols, use it at the end. So use it when the clip runs out, because it'll instantly reload and you'll get an extra clip out of that, as opposed to starting it right at the beginning and then emptying the clip.
Stay focused.
So we start the laps again. So I missed the laps then because I didn't have the airspec, so I'll just go for the screamer. Do a U-turn, it's really laggy. Keep walking. Just keep mobile, that's all you need to do. Another handy thing for boss fights with Duststorm is if you transform into a vehicle mode and you activate a vehicle equipment and you shoot off a rocket, it actually does damage over time, so you can get a little bit of extra damage taking down the boss's shield doing that. So see how I'm focusing on the gladiator? Then it's a bad idea, because all these screamers getting 3 hits, and the quickest way to die. So always screamers first, be a priority, just move around. See how Conduit's getting smashed there. Just keep mobile, that's all you need to do, just stay in Conduit.
Something tells me when I've done yet.
Really bad frame rate. And so hopefully I get a new laptop soon and I'll start some streaming and PvP with decent frame rate. Save this conduit again. And I'll end the video there. And so as you can see, it's not very fun PvPing like this. but I don't really care because I've got lots of doesn't really matter. So now, see how all the gladiators are there? I can run away from them all day. They're never going to catch me. It's just these Terratons that I have to worry about. So once you get rid of them, you're pretty much safe this Duststorm. You can just run circles around these guys, it doesn't really matter. So for that period, after I told Quentin not to heal me, he hasn't healed me and I've stayed alive. And he's actually died, which actually just turned out to be a really good video. Alright, so I'll just leave it there. Thanks for watching, see you.